Hey, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we are at the Hilton Shreveport. This is in downtown Shreveport, and this is a standard 2 queens room. So we are on the 7th floor. It's nighttime, so I can't really show you the view, but here's when you walk into the room. You have the bathroom on the right side. We haven't touched anything. That's how the toilet is presented. And, you know, regular bathroom stuff. Let's see. Here's the products. So let's go out into the room. There's a full-length mirror on your right. There is a closet with the safe and ironing board, no luggage rack. 2 queen beds with 4 pillows each. There is a little rack right here. I guess you could put a suitcase underneath. Put a suit that kind of works as a luggage rack right there. And you have a little bit of storage, a refrigerator. It is, wow, it's kind of cracked open. It was left open, so I don't know if that's cooling right now. A desk. Let's check out any USB ports. So there are USB ports in this groovy little table lamp, desk lamp. And you have a lamp. You have a nightstand. The lamp there, the nightstand has a nice drawer, which you don't always see. So more storage. There are outlets on the lamp base, but no, looks like no USB ports. Oh, but there is one on the clock. So this is the Hilton Shreveport downtown. So this is Cajun DIY-Diva. I can't even talk. This is Cajun DIY-Diva. And please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and share. So thanks a lot.